Hello. So here we welcome Mr. Mehul Joshi, who is production head from Motif Engineering Private Limited. Mehul sir, welcome to ENGIMACH 2023 at our LMW stall. Kindly you can brief about your company and you use our machines. What you make and what about your company, what you do, and what you make on our machines.
First of all, Vikas, thank you very much to introduce me in LMW. Myself, Mehul Joshi. I am plant head in Motif Engineering Private Limited. I am looking manufacturing in Motif, and we are in the business of manufacturing of precision parts of the oil and gas sector. We have LMW machines, and we are getting good results on these machines, and very good accuracy, very precise, and very accurate machines. We will propose these machines to our other customers.
So, sir, thank you very much. Looking for the future business. Thank you very much for your support.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Vikas. Thank you.